On October 30th, 2024, Twitter account 2S7 Peon shared images of the Ukrainian Army using the Oerlikon Revolver Gun Mk3 air defense cannon in field exercises, deploying airburst ammunition with tungsten submunitions to target and shoot down drones. This deployment highlights Ukraine's evolving defensive capabilities in response to the growing aerial threats, particularly drones. The Oerlikon Revolver Gun Mk3 is a remote-controlled 35mm air defense cannon designed for quick and precise response against aerial threats. This system features a tracking radar and an electro-optical sensor unit, enabling it to detect, track, and engage targets with high accuracy. A unique feature of this cannon lies in its ability to process target data from 3D or 2D search radars and higher-order control systems, allowing it to operate autonomously. One of the major innovations of this system is the integration of Oerlikon Ahead programmable airburst ammunition. These rounds are optimized to counter a wide range of threats, including drones, rockets, artillery shells, and missiles. The rounds burst before impact, dispersing tungsten submunitions to create a cloud of fragments capable of neutralizing airborne targets with remarkable efficiency.
Projectiles densely populate the area around the point of impact, thus creating a deadly cloud.
This feature allows precise targeting and maximizes effectiveness against small aerial targets, often challenging to intercept.
Cloud of sub-projectiles without being hit multiple times.
Since the beginning of the Ukraine conflict, several advanced weapon systems, including the Oerlikon Revolver Gun Mk3, have been delivered to reinforce Ukraine's defensive capabilities against the increasing aerial threats. These systems were provided to Ukraine by Switzerland through Rheinmetall Air Defense, a subsidiary of Rheinmetall AG specializing in advanced air defense systems. Rheinmetall, with recognized expertise in defense solutions, has significantly contributed to equipping the Ukrainian Army, providing systems capable of addressing contemporary aerial threats, notably those posed by drones and missiles, which have become prevalent in the ongoing conflict. The deployment of this technology by the Ukrainian Army marks an important step in its ability to counter drones, which play an increasingly strategic role in modern conflicts. Drones, used for surveillance, intelligence, and even targeted strikes, pose an asymmetric threat requiring sophisticated air defense systems. In the context of the conflict in Ukraine, where drones are widely employed by both sides, the integration of the Oerlikon Revolver Gun Mk3 provides a technological response adapted to the challenges of the modern battlefield. Since the beginning of the Russian invasion in February 2022, Germany and Ukraine have developed reinforced military collaboration, marked by equipment deliveries, military training, and strategic support. Initially cautious, Germany gradually increased its support by supplying essential weaponry, such as Gepard anti-aircraft cannons, Leopard 2 tanks, and Iris-T air defense systems, which have played a key role in protecting Ukrainian infrastructure against Russian airstrikes. Germany has also provided training for Ukrainian soldiers, facilitating the effective use of these sophisticated systems on the battlefield.